Hello everyone, welcome back to our Copilot tutorial. In the past few videos, we have been sharing various AI features of Microsoft 365 Copilot. Today, we're stepping it up a bit. Let's talk about agents. I've been using Microsoft Copilot Studio to show you an agent I've created. For those who haven't heard of agents, let me briefly explain. An AI agent is a more advanced type of AI, the one we have talked about it before, or one you might be familiar with like ChatGPT, POE, or DeepSeek. They are mainly generative AI, the entry-level kind. They are super smart and can answer almost any question you ask, but they can't do things for you. Agents, on the other hand, are different. They can interact with tools and actually help you get things done. Copilot Studio is a platform for building AI agents. You can use everyday language to tell it how to assist you, feed it data, and give it tools to complete tasks. The best part? You don't need any programming or coding knowledge. You can use agents to simplify and automate workflows, or even create a chatbot for your company website to answer customer questions 24/7. I pre-built one of these chatbots, so let's take a look. Inside my Copilot Studio, you will see I've created different AI agents for various purposes. For example, there is a return agent to handle refund requests, an AO chatbot for internal tasks like leave requests or answering questions, and more. Let's dive into this customer assistant. It's the AI agent I mentioned earlier. When you open it, you will see it's a fully customized agent. All the details and instructions were preset. This agent is designed to answer customer questions about Copilot Studio. You can also feed it data in the knowledge sections, so it can refer to the information when responding. Taking it a step further, you can set actions to automate entire workflows. Say for example, I've set an email action here. If a customer tells the chatbot they want to speak to a real person for assistance, it automatically sends an email to the support team. Once everything is set up, you can export the agent from the channel section to place it on your company website, Teams, intranet, or social media platform like Telegram. I will open a demo website to show you how it works exactly. Let me copy the link here. There we go. I've also put the link in the description so you can try it out later and send us any question you may have through the chatbot. For example, if I ask it what is Copilot Studio, we will pull information from the data I provided to answer. For more advanced questions like, can I escalate to human support? It will guide me step by step to provide details and then automatically send the issue to the support team, which is me in this case. Let me show you. So I'll enter my email address here and also ask me for my email subject. So I will type something like Copilot inquiry. Then for the email body, I write something like the content, the question about this email. I want to explore some demos for Copilot Studio or more information for that, and with my contact number. After a few seconds, when I switch back to my Outlook, you will see this agent already sent me back the email automatically. You may try it out and send us any question you may have, and I can see your question and get back to you later. Alright, that's it for today's sharing. If you have any questions, you can use the chatbot to send me email, scan the QR code, or just visit our website for more information. See you next time.